Welcome to our lesson on the components of a value roadmap. This lesson builds on our previous discussions about value-driven delivery strategies in Agile Project Management. A value roadmap is a strategic document that outlines how value will be delivered over time. It serves to align teams with business objectives, ensuring everyone is focused on delivering the right outcomes. This quote emphasizes the essence of a value roadmap. It is a commitment that guides teams towards delivering tangible value consistently. The key components of a value roadmap include a clear vision and defined milestones. The vision articulates desired outcomes, while milestones help track progress towards achieving those goals. Engaging stakeholders is crucial for creating an effective value roadmap. Identifying key players and gathering their feedback early ensures that the roadmap aligns with their needs and fosters commitment. Prioritization techniques help teams focus on delivering maximum value. Methods like the Moscow technique classify tasks based on urgency and importance, ensuring that efforts are directed effectively. Continuous review of the value roadmap is essential. Regular check-ins allow teams to adapt the roadmap based on feedback and changing circumstances, ensuring ongoing relevance. Defining key performance indicators is vital for measuring the success of the value roadmap. Tracking progress through these metrics enables informed decision-making and adjustments as needed. This quote highlights the importance of adaptability in a value roadmap. It should evolve alongside the organization to remain effective and relevant. In summary, the key components of a value roadmap include a clear vision, stakeholder engagement, and continuous review. These elements work together to ensure successful value delivery. As we conclude this lesson, remember that embracing Agile practices and a well-structured value roadmap can significantly enhance your project's success. Thank you for your attention. Thank you for participating in this lesson on the components of a value roadmap. We look forward to seeing you in the next module, where we will explore more Agile strategies.